In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sukuna's special ability in Jujutsu Shenanigans. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Sukuna's, the King of Curses special ability. So you will be able to use this when you go over the characters and you select Vessel. He is also known as Sukuna by the community. So the special is called Feint. Basically, it is a feint that cancels any move that you are currently using when you press it. So on PC, all that you have to do is press R on your keyboard. If you are doing this process on mobile, you will have to tap this star icon. And as you can see here, this is how it looks. So what I did there is I initiated my Divergent Fist and I immediately pressed R. So as you can see, it cancels the move. So while my character is doing the animation, I have to quickly press it. As you can see, that time I took too long and I didn't get the cancel. This is going to work for Cursed Strikes, Crushing Blow, Divergent Fist, but it doesn't work with Magic Kick. Keep that in mind. And this can be used freely without the cost of the Awakening Bar, and this operates on a short 2-second cooldown. So once again, I'm going to press Divergent Fist and I'm going to quickly use Feint. So by pressing R, I'm able to cancel this move. This is great because you can bait out counters from other people and this refunds the cooldown. So if I baited a counter, I could just walk up to them and actually do the move this time. And like I said, it is also going to work for Cursed Strikes and Crushing Blow. You will notice that because I did Crushing Blow followed by the other Cursed Strikes too quickly, the move was still on cooldown, or rather, the special Feint was still on cooldown. So always make sure that you wait a short 2 seconds before spamming Feint. But this is all you have to do. Press the specified move and then press R, or press the star icon that you see if you are playing on mobile. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna's special ability in Jujutsu Shenanigans. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.